Inductus, a new-age business consulting organization driven by transformative technological tools and innovative systems and processes, is dedicated to the constant pursuit of creating, developing, and sustaining a culture of innovation with an intrinsic value proposition. With an endeavor to constantly outperform through tech-led new-age business processes and systems keeping in line the philosophy, change is the only constant, the leadership declared 2025 as the Year of Transformation. The mission is clear: leverage cutting-edge technology and streamline processes to deliver unmatched value to clients. Armed with data-driven insights and a customer-first philosophy, at Inductus, we have crafted a transformative blueprint, and the key pillars of the adopted strategies are technology empowerment, process reengineering, and client-centric models, integrating AI-driven analytics, adopting agile methodologies, and enhancing digital touchpoints for building customized solutions to address unique client challenges. Our subsidiaries span various sectors, including consulting and advisory, project management units, project management consulting, technical support agency, project outsourcing, technology services, international trade and commerce, e-commerce, and global capability centers. Our verticals: Inductus Consulting, Inductus Global, Inductus GCC, Inductus IT, Inductus Legal, Inductus Jobs, and Taju, embody our diverse capabilities with future readiness. Through the latest innovative processes and technology like AI-driven process management, Inductus Consulting has made effective contributions to the government sector, streamlining the processes for greater efficiency. Our Global Capability Center, headquartered in India's burgeoning capital city, provides global businesses with access to India's skilled talent within a cost-efficient operational ecosystem. As a nation-first organization, Inductus proudly showcases India's art and craftsmanship through our e-commerce platform, Taju, bringing India's soul to the global stage. We constantly seek opportunities that help us redefine our limits and achieve new levels of excellence. We are committed to continuously improving the quality of all our services by investing in our people and fostering innovation. We take pride in leveraging our knowledge, skills, and experience to drive growth for our clients and stakeholders. 2025 is indeed the year of transformation for Inductus. With a customer-first approach, we are dedicated to implementing processes that incorporate new-age technologies and tools across all initiatives to deliver exceptional experiences at every touchpoint. Inductus is committed to building a future-focused organization by enhancing agility and connectivity while investing in technology and talent to provide agile and innovative solutions. At Inductus, I stands for innovation. We are not just reinventing ourselves, we are transforming how businesses operate globally in this era of unprecedented disruptions.